Hi, let's check your readiness for the DMV test. Let's go. In this video, we will address several questions on the topic, the toughest rules in the state of New York. You will have 10 seconds to answer. Once you know the correct answer, we will analyze it in detail. And question, in New York State, what is the penalty for using a handheld mobile phone while driving for the first offense? A. Warning only. B. $50 to $200 fine and 5 driver violation points. C. Automatic license suspension. Time. Correct answer, B. Explanation. New York enforces strict distracted driving laws. A first-time offense for handheld phone use results in a fine of $50 to $200 and 5 points on your driving record. Next question. Which of the following is illegal in New York, even if you're stopped at a red light? A. Eating food. B. Texting on your phone. C. Talking to a passenger. Time. Correct answer, B. Explanation. Under New York's strict distracted driving laws, texting is prohibited at all times, even when stopped at a red light. Next question. How does New York treat passing a stopped school bus with flashing red lights? A. $50 fine. B. Community service only. C. Fine up to $400 and license suspension for repeat offenses. Time. Correct answer, C. Explanation. Passing a stopped school bus is one of the most serious violations in New York. It can result in a fine up to $400, 5 points, and possible license suspension for repeat violations. Next question. What is the move over law in New York? A. Slow down only if you see a police officer. B. Change lanes or slow down when approaching any emergency or service vehicle. C. Stop completely when seeing flashing lights. And time. Correct answer, B. Explanation. The move over law requires drivers to change lanes or slow down when approaching emergency, construction, or tow vehicles with flashing lights to ensure safety. Next question. What happens if a driver under 21 is caught with any measurable amount of alcohol in their system in New York? A. $25 fine. B. No penalty unless over 0.8% BAC. C. License suspension for at least 6 months. Time. Correct answer, C. Explanation. New York has a zero-tolerance law for drivers under 21. Any detectable BAC between 0.2% and 0.7% can lead to a license suspension for at least 6 months. So that's it. Write in the comments if you answered correctly. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss new tests. Thanks for watching.